With the change to the A2L fluids, mild flammable category in the ASHRAE, we need an RDS as part of the UL code to detect if the refrigerant gas does leak into the occupied space of the dwelling or a commercial building, and then respond accordingly to shut off and shut the unit down. Part of the RDS system, or the refrigerant detection system, there is a refrigerant sensor. In our case, it's mounted on the delta plate of our indoor coil on this install, and it is determined with engineering where the highest concentration of refrigerant vapor would be, and that detects that vapor. So it's important to follow all OEM manufacturer specs and recommendations. You have to utilize the OEM manufacturer's RDS system. You cannot take one from one manufacturer OEM to another. You got to keep it where it is installed, follow the kit instructions, and make sure that is installed as per the UL code as needed. So an RDS is more important when switching to an A2L refrigerant because of the category within ASHRAE. It's a mild flammable refrigerant, and the UL code does require that to be installed if it meets the requirements. So we've actually made an app called GoTemp Pro, formerly the DS Solution app, that works with our products. You put in the unit information, the install, where you're at, and it meets the UL codes in the background of the app, and it determines what you need to put in, whether it's an RDS system or include in an exhaust system within the structure.